Okay, good morning classmates.
Good morning.
Before we start our presenting my report is counting sa tagwan ko to kay ang activity is 2 groups. So start mo sa 1. Counting ba kasi?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Okay.
Fish. 1, 1, 2, 1,
1.
So ang 1 of 2 is ang total rin ako na rin.
Yes.
So my topic is all about minor fishery products and fishery byproducts. So fishery byproducts may be defined as products derived from fish offal or fish waste utilized into fish value-added products or other useful items. So, for instance, the offal boneless milkfish are backbone, intermuscular spines, dorsal fins, and viscera. So, ang kanyang byproducts is kaya itong mga waste sa mga isda nga like viscera. So, ang ba nakasagana ay mo ka na budget. I-utilize na ito yung mga laman ng loob. So, first 3 offal are utilized into fish value-added products such as pwede siya ikuan sa burger, polvoron, embutido, balls, soup, luncheon meat, canned fish bones, biscuits, sausage, siopaw, nuggets, and meatloaf. So, the scale of milkfish as offal is fried milkfish, paksiw, milkfish, and sinigang milkfish can utilize into pearl assets. Atong kuan mga classes kanila para So, minor fishery products are of 6 groups. So, first is crustacean. So, mga siyang shrimp, prawn, crab, and lobster. So, akong 6 ka group is ang crustacean, mollusks, calopites, cynodonts, vertebrates, coelenterate. So, first is crustacean. So, atong shrimp, prawns, and crabs, and lobster are crustaceans that belong to the principal group of Decapoda. Meaning is, ang Decapoda meaning is 10 feet. So, they have compound eyes and carapace that is joined to the thoracic segments. So, characteristics sa shrimp or prawn is long abdomen and body compressed side by side. So, dito po one tayo kay example na. So, next is crab. Short abdominal and folded underneath the body, flattened body, and covered with carapace. So, next is one pair of large anterior claws, pairs of legs at the thorax. Head has a segmented mouth, one pair of eyes on movable stalk, then 2 pairs of antennae. Next is ang lobster. Larger decapods, long abdomen, and body compressed from top to bottom. So, sa mollusks is mollusks. By and large, mollusks are the most abundant, most colorful, most beautiful, most expensive, and most varied animals in the ocean. The seashells are washed ashore on beaches and are often collected. So, nasa yung na shellfish ng kinds, univalve, bivalve, and equivalve. So, ang univalve is one shell, then univalve shellfish are caught by means of bridging. So, bridging ito ang uban case, Murag, ang saloon is mangdus-dus. Then, ang uban is kumutumuton ka. Ang uban kay, ano, mga sundang dito. Kayon. Then, their shells are made into beautiful, useful items. So, mga sila ang gamit sa mga shells. Necklace, earrings, bar pen, ashtray, flower vase, picture frame, key holder, button or batones, wall decor, curtain, drapery, and many others. So next is ang Bible. So two shells na ito mga close to sila. Like mga clams, mga bakan. So the Bible shellfish are bilaterally symmetrical with a foot and two calcareous shells that are held tightly together by strong adductor muscle that produce scars on the interior surface. If both shells are similar from each other, the bulb is said to be equivalent. So if not, it is said as an equivalent. An equivalent, there are muscle, pen, scallops, and clams, and an equivalent. So, ang oyster is tawag siya nga talaba, and ang window pane is tapis. So, ano siya mga sample, muscle, scallop, telen, club, hackle, pen, kayo. So next is squid, cuttlefish, and octopus. So squid, cuttlefish, and octopus are the most highly developed mollusks with heads surrounded by prehensile tentacles and with highly developed camera-type eyes. So, ano yung squid, cuttlefish, consider siya mga mollusk ay nakuhanis. Paano agad ka nang nabilong siya sa dikapuda, kaya na siya yung mga tentacles, di ba? Mga siya nabilong sa aming mga kapi. So, squid and cuttle have tentacles and have a shell inside. Squid ang shell. Octopus is also a mollusk. True, it has no shell. It has 8 tentacles. It swims actively by jet propulsion or by fleshy fins on the sides of the body. It is carnivorous, feed on crustacean, fish, and other mollusks. Mo siya jet propulsion kay ang iyang inika kan dito niya yung mga mapatras as dito sa tapos. So next is calophytes. So algae, one is lang mga algae na belong sa calophytes group. They are flowerless plants without true roots, stems, and leaves. So in 2005, seaweed belonged to the number 3 exported products to United States, Japan, France, and other countries. So United States is ang number 1 ng ang import of mga seaweed sa mga countries of seaweed. So I didn't know. Ang United States may number 1 ang mag-export ng mga seaweeds. So the genera ang mga pang-export nila ng mga seaweed is ang Eugloma, Gracilaria, and Chilideria. So, mga sila. So, na duha ka kinds of algae is those that are free to move from one place to another according to the flow of ocean current. And number 2 is those that grow in a fixed location. The latter has commercial importance. So, money. Nasa yung mga classified according to colors. So, one siyang blue, green, Tawag ng xenophytes. Then ang green, blue-green, then ang green is chlorophytes, then ang brown is myophytes, then ang red is rhodophytes. So the green, brown, and red algae grow in marine environment, and blue-green algae in freshwater. So the green and red algae are sold commercially in domestic and international markets. So mo din yung mga halinon sa mga algae sa they are cultured to prevent seaweed production like Colerpa, Racemosa, or Lato, cultured in Cebu, and Euphoma farming in Estancia, Iloilo. So, mali ang mga kasagaran ng halinon dito nga mga algae gusto o lato. So, uses of seaweeds. So, seaweeds are useful as human food, animal food, medicine, fertilizer, and chemicals. They are a good source of iodine. Agar extracted from Gracilaria and Gelideria is used as suppositories and laxatives. So, ang agar is, so, ang use agar is kanang, so, muna siya kanang, gamiton dito nila once lang mga microorganisms, ilang karoon, itawag kung sa kung naabot sila sa mga microorganisms. So, this is used as also an ingredients in bakery, icing, bacteriological, medicinal, dental, and industrial. So, in bacteriological laboratory, agar is used as culture medium. In medicinal, it is used as suppositories and laxatives. In dental, absorbent, gelatin, agent, and emulsifier. In industrial, it is used in the manufacture of photographic films, in textile, lubricant, and print industries. So, a bar of gulaman is na siya kanang consists of 74. Mo siya gitaw ko lang kayo siya kanang sticky talaga. Gelatin this. Ano ba may gigamit ang gelatin? A bar of gulaman consists of 74.5% carbohydrates niya kasi 17% moisture niya is 70%, then 2.6% ang protein, 0.3% ang fat niya din, and 4.7 ang percent. So, ang source din sa kanang agar is, sa agar are Gracilaria, Unideria, Halimenia, and other mga red seaweeds. Ano siya mga source sa agar. So, carrageenan. So, ang carrageenan is used as suspension of cocoa fiber, production of chocolate milk, stabilizing of ice cream, controlling of ice crystal formation, and improving of meltdown characteristics. It is also used in pharmaceutical products. So, alis sa mabaw is, mali siya nga lang makakuan bitaw ka ng, for example, sa ice cream, dito siya balik nga malanay bitaw. Mali siya yung sa carrageenan. So, it is also used in pharmaceutical products such as capsules, lotions, and toothpaste. Wala, di siya makakuha niya is once nga, hindi mo siya i-gamit ko na. So, ang algin, so ay kanin sa carrageenan is, ang source niya is ang Euphoma and Capapalpus. Next is algin. So, this is used for food dressing and beverages as beer and juice drinks. So, it is also useful in pharmaceutical and industrial application. So, ang algin is, for example, kaling sa bread, butangan na siya algin, para dito siya mabagsak, bitaw di siya mo buobos kaya dapat tubo ulit sa kanina. Muna ka na.
Mura ni sa yes, pure, or lagi?
Pero ang list kaya pang ano mapapatubo ko dyan. Kana siya kasi di dyan siya kung down dyan siya. Di siya ma-down ba? Stay siya na. Next ang pala na. So ang sa kaning beer paborito ni Joshua. Kanang kuhan siya pang mabuwa. Dagan siya gamit ang algin. Kanin kayo sa mga kuhan ni siya. Dito na sa kusina ka na mag-baking ka. So, ang source of algin are sargassum, hydrochlorous, turbinaria, padena, and other brown algae. So, ang algin is mga brown algae ang iyang mga sources. So, atong mga unang nga report is mo ang mga common green seaweeds. Mo ni mga example sa green seaweeds. Found in seaweeds class chlorophyll siya so found in turbine water. So, di siya makakari pero sa kanang design ng mga powerful is parang ano. So, mo ni siyang example. So, kani sa mga brown mga seaweeds sa mga brown seaweeds. Class A5 siya. Then, kani is katong mga red seaweeds ni. No, paano siya sa class chlorophyll? Ay, chlorophyll siya source of agar. Then, ano siya